Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Bob McIntosh from MarineMax here in Naples. Today I want to give you a short preview of what our 2019 270 Dauntless has to offer you. And first and foremost, I'd really like to make note of the power package on our 270. These are twin 225 horsepower Mercury V6 naturally aspirated outboards. These are a new motor for us, new motor for Mercury, and we're all really excited about them. They're quieter, they're more fuel efficient, you have more torque, and what's nice is they're lighter. So you're gonna see a much better performance out of these motors compared to the motors that we used to put on these boats. So I like to describe the 270 Dauntless as the perfect boat for Southwest Florida, for the family that likes to fish, that likes to go to the beach, that likes to cruise around. She has a relatively shallow draft, so you can get into those skinnier backwaters. She has the length and size, the twin outboards to really get offshore on the right day if you so choose. And she's easy to run up on the beach, and she has great seating options, particularly here in the back with the fold-up transom seat to entertain a group of you and your friends. Hey guys, check out the storage space on this 270 Dauntless. You have enough room in here for 5-gallon buckets, for fishing poles, for dive tanks, for annoying boat salesmen. You can really stuff it all in here. So that's our 270 Dauntless in a nutshell. Awesome boat for Southwest Florida. Come on down, get a more in-depth look. I'm glad to give you a tour. I'm available at your convenience. Again, my name's Bob McIntosh. I work at MarineMax here in Naples, Florida. Schedule a showing, give me a call. Cell phone's the best way to reach me at 215-501-2473. I'll see you soon.